Good morning, Wafwetu. This week, let us start this week like this. Unokuthola uyindoda utshelwa ukuthi I can't date a broke man. There kukhulunywa ngemali. Broke man, there kukhulunywa ngemali, meaning you can only be dated when you have imali. You can only be told you are loved when you have imali. Lento yama answers ukuthi uvula umqondo ikhona kuzo zonke le statement lezi. But it depends on you as a man to see it. Ukuthi manginemali kusho ukuthi then ngizodate, manginemali ngizotshelwa ukuthi ngiyathandwa, but not necessarily ukuthi ngiyathandwa, but ngizotshelwa ukuthi ngiyathandwa because of money. So with this we are building men ukuthi nalaba basebenzayo abanayo imali must find out ukuthi batshelwa ukuthi bayathandwa noma bayathandwa ngempela na. Usunayo ke imali usebenza. Are you told that you are loved or you are loved for real? Do you have someone in your life because they love you or because you are working or because you have money? Those are the kind of things is your responsibility as a man to find out ukuthi yini okuyiyo phakathi kwalezi zinto zoyi-two. No hating to nobody. We have to love. We are loving beings anyway as men. But you have to find out, because kubhlungu ukuthola seyingekho le mali and uthole. Remember, imali is there not just to please a person. It's there to help you to build your life. It's there to help you to have a roof over your head. Is there to make sure ukuthi abantwana bakho banekhaya. Money is there to make sure that it builds you a legacy. It leaves a legacy and an inheritance for abantwana bakho. It's not there to please someone ozothi ngeke akuthande because awunayo imali. Akusiyo yokuplease umuntu imali, my brother. Akusiyona imali yokuplease umuntu. Akusiyona imali yokuthi uqonywe because of yona ngoba kusho ukuthi awuthandwa without it. It simply means that ukuthi awuqonywanga because uyathandwa, uqonywa because of imali. And if uzoqonywa because of what must give you life, legacy, inheritance, wealth, a house, a home, and your children shelter, then you are risking with your life. Uriska ngempilo yakho. Imali akusiyithikithi lokuqonywa nokuba nentombi enhle mfethu. Imali mangabe uvuka ekseni usasenenhlanhla ukuthi usebenze ngoba kunzima nanokuthi indoda ithole umsebenzi. For a man it's 10 times harder to get a job. For a man 10 times harder for you, just because you are a man. Just because you are a man. So uyithole leyo mali, uthi ungayithola uyithathe wena uyoqonywa ngayo, uyenza ithikithi lokuqonywa lokuthi uvunywe ngoba someone can date a broke man. You are risking with something that can give you comfort. Uriska ngento engakwakhela ikhaya. Imali ngakwakhela ikhaya. Imali ngazivusa isibongo sakini. Imali ngabenza abantwana bakho bangahlupheki, bangahambe babe umhambuma la ngaphandle. Imali ngakwenzela impilo engcono uthi noma sowuphelelwa ngamandla ngelinye ilanga ube nekhaya la uzohlala khona. Ngoba uzoyithatha le mali uyothenga ngayo uthando. Imali akusiyo ukuthenga uthando mfana kithi. Akusiyo imali akusiyo ukuthenga uthando baba. Imali akusiyo ukuthenga uthando young man. Imali akusiyo ukuthenga uthando mnumzane. Imali akusiyo ukuthenga uthando bhuti wami. Akusiyo ukuthenga uthando imali. Imali yokwakha imizi. Imali yokwakha amakhaya ezingane. Imali yokumisa izibongo. namhlanje kunabantu namhlanje abazazi bavelaphi because bathatha imali bayisebenzisa ukuthi baplease ngayo abantu. Imali akusiyo yalezo zinto lezo. Eyokuthi ikusize ube nekhaya ngelinye ilanga uthi mhla uphelelwa ngamandla ube nendawo yokufela bafu. Ube nekhaya, a place where you can take rest of years of working and trying in life. Mangabe uyasebenza lapha ngaphandle, you are maintaining somebody, uzosola kusasa. Imali akusiye ku-maintain umuntu, imali yokwakha ikhaya. Ithatha imali njengendoda yokwakha ikhaya, into ezokwenza ukuthi uhlonishwe kusasa noma ngathi ubroke kanjani or illiterate kanjani, umuzi, it's a home. Iyona into ezokwenza ube nesithunzi sakho njengendoda kahle siphelele, ikhaya lakho. Because uzomaintaina lo muntu mhla uhluleka ukummaintaina, uyahamba uyofuna omunye ongalazi iqiniso lemali. Uzohamba uyofuna omunye umuntu ongazi ukuthi imali akusiyo yokuqonywa, eyokwakha, amthole naye ithi ngamphelela komunye futhi ongalazi lelo qiniso lelo. Sebenzisa imali my brother for ama reasons wokwakha, nothing else. Akungabi ukuthi imali yakho iya kwezinye izinto, ayakhe, because ukwakha kwakho kunabantwana abangeke bahlupheke kusasa. Ukwakha kwakho kunabantwana abangeke babe without a home tomorrow mase songasakhona ukusebenza or mase ushonile ungasekho emhlabeni. That's the only reason okumele umuntu nomuntu umele ayisebenzele mfowethu. Umuntu umele ayisebenzele. You'll rather be called broke and stingy and so on and so. Umuntu nomuntu irresponsibility yakhe. Umuntu nomuntu irresponsibility yakhe. Male or female, irresponsibility. Wena yakha umuntu ozoba sempilweni yakhe akuthola usekhaya lakho. Yakhe ikhale ingane zakho, uma ungenangane manje yakhela ukuthi noma usuthatha umfazi umthatha umfaka endlini ekhaya lakho, kodwa nje yakha uthi uma uyosebenza. That's the only reason ekufuneka uyisebenzele, ukwakha, cause ingane zakho kusasa uma ungakho ubusy uloku uphisana ngemali, unikana ngayo, uthenga amasavana, ubhuka amahotela, wenzani. Kusasa abantwana bakho bazohlupheka because of your decisions.